What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. Today is March 27, 2020. It is also my 30 years old birthday, but I cannot enjoy and I don't know how to celebrate because of this deadly virus pandemic. Today I just saw the Prime Minister of UK, Boris Johnson, tested positive for Wuhan virus. So how about the chairman of China? How is he doing? From what he did to Uyghurs, to Tibet, to Hong Kongers, to the world, he got a test too. He got negative for being a human. And yesterday, thousands of people in China went straight for protest against the Chinese Communist Party wrong information, wrong data about this coronavirus outbreak. And while the Chinese people doing this, the Chinese government start to making the propaganda video opposite about those. Let's see. She basically just said China is the only country now stand up for saving the world about this coronavirus. Now China becomes a country who saves the world, who helping the world, who helping the people from this coronavirus. He becomes a savior overnight. They're trying to tell the world without China, the world cannot conquer this disaster. The disaster Chinese communists made. What kind of logic it is? Again, Chinese Communist Party never makes sense. About this video I just showed you guys. Let's see how the activist Emi Yemeni react about it. I pretty like it. That's all about it. And today is also day 5 of my 100+2 daily push-up challenge. I did it and I made a video for you guys. Hope you guys like it. Please share my video if you like it. Please subscribe my channel if you like it. And I will see you guys next time.